Hello guys, welcome back to my estate video. I am very happy to announce that I have been able to attain agent level 5, and I couldn't have achieved this without your help. Okay, this is a team effort. It's not just my effort alone. Okay, it's a collective effort. So I want to say thank you to my team and thank you to the wider community of estate, and a special thank you to my CEO, Mr. Brandon Stevenson, for bringing this opportunity to everybody around the globe. I am very grateful. So, what do you get when you become agent level 5? Okay, there are things that you will get once you hit this level, and I want to share that with you. So let me just go to my back office here and select this screenshot that I took from the presentation document. So this is the 20 level career ladder overview that we have in estate for those that are interested in becoming an agent. And if you want to grow your career in estate, you have to work with this career ladder. Okay, so this is a guide that will enable you to work towards these targets. Okay, you can see that we have from level 1 to level 20, and I just attained level 5, so I still have 15 more levels to go. Right, there are people that are already on level 15, okay, with over $5 million worth of total team contribution, total team sales. Right now, agent level 5, which is the one I just attained, the volume is $50,000. So my next target is level 6, and that is twice the sales volume that I have now, which is 100,000. And I believe that I am going to hit this level 6 in no time. But let's not start talking about level 6 just now. Let's concentrate on level 5 for those that are close to becoming level 5 agent. What do you get when you eventually become level 5? So just follow this. It will tell you what you will get. Okay, estate promised that they will give you 750 ETK plus $500 cash when you attain agent level 5, guys. This is a lot of money. 500 quid, come on. For attaining agent level 5, you get 500 quid. So the question most people are asking right now, and the question is coming from those that are looking to become agents in estate. They are asking me, is it really true that estate will give you these bonuses, right? Because this is rank bonus, right? And I said, of course, yes. I have been on level 1, level 2, level 3, level 4, and now level 5. And for every single level, you do not need to contact the customer service in estate to get your bonus. The bonus is automatically credited to your account. So this is my answer to those people that are asking that question, that would you even get this money that they are saying they want to give to you? So the answer is yes, you will get it. It's auto-programmed. Once you hit the level, the system will release the money and the equivalent ETK to your back office. And this money is ready for you to withdraw instantly, guys. Instantly, you will get this money and you will be able to withdraw it straight to your private wallet. So now, just to prove what I am telling you, that estate, they do as they say. Okay, they keep to their promise. Remember, I recorded a video talking about integrity, okay, of estate. They like to maintain their integrity. So because of that, they don't fail on their promises. That is one thing I like about estate. Let me go to the next screenshot here. I took this screenshot and I blanked out some information because I don't want the names of my team members to be showing. But right here, the one on the dotted line, you will notice that this is the bonus that has been given to me. Okay, $500 cash plus 750 ETK. That has been credited to my back office, guys. So right here is there. eState says they will give you bonus. They will give you bonus once you hit the level and attain that level. So this is great for anybody in eState looking to become an agent. These are the things you will benefit from when you become an agent and you begin to hit these levels. You will continue to get these bonuses automatically credited to your back office and readily available for you to withdraw instantly. Automatically, this money is credited to your back office. So I am forever going to be grateful to the CEO of eState, Mr. Brandon, for automating almost everything in eState. Is automated. Your payment is automated. Your daily earnings, that comes without any hitch at all since day one that I joined eState. So I'm not saying this because I want you guys to join me in eState. I'm saying this for you guys to know that there is a reliable platform that you can join and enjoy consistency. Okay, because what we have not enjoyed since I have been in online space is consistency. Most of the platforms that will come, but they will not remain consistent for a long time. But eState has proven time and time again to be consistent for the past 12 months. And they will remain consistent because I know that they are doing something good. The people in eState are real. The properties are real. The community is a real community. You can talk to people. You can negotiate time and date with people, to travel to meet top leaders, strategic partners. So don't sit on this. If you are watching this video today, make sure you purchase a fraction of real estate in eState. So that way you will begin to earn between 0.3% to 1% on a daily basis without being an agent, guys. Okay, your earnings 0.3% to 1% daily. This has nothing to do with you being an agent. Okay, this is the money you earn as a result of purchasing fractional tokenized real estate. Right? That is what you get as a result of the money you use to purchase fractional ownership of this tokenized real estate. You will earn this money. But the icing on the cake is when you become an agent. So therefore, you will be earning extra commission, extra income, okay, on top of your original rental income that is coming daily. So you'll be earning on both ways. Okay, first one, the money that you have used to purchase your fractional real estate. The second one is the agent commission, which is what I just showed you just now. Once you hit any level, you will be given the corresponding ETK and the corresponding cash bonus, which you can withdraw. So if this video sounds like something you would like to try, okay, if you would like to try eState, the link to do so is below this video description. Contact me if you need to learn this business. You need to belong to the community and learn what is happening. Learn the business. Once you learn the business and know the business in and out, climbing these levels, your career levels, should be dead easy because you are going to be delivering value. Okay, when you deliver value, the success is sure to happen. That's all I have to say, guys. So once more, for those that are still sitting on the fence, if this video is not going to motivate you and make you to change your mind, then that is on you. But for those that are going to change their mind right now, register, complete your KYC, purchase your fractional real estate, and begin to earn every single day. Immediately after 24 hours, your money will start dropping in your back office. Then use the link below this video description to sign up, and I look forward to seeing you in my team. Thank you and God bless.